Once you're in your Google Meet, you'll have many options available to you. We'll start at the top right. First is the People button. Here, you can see all of the people who are in your meeting. From the drop-down icon, you can remove them. If they're already muted, you can't unmute them. But if they're being disruptive, you can use this mute button. And you can pin them to the screen. Next, you have the Chat button. To send a message to the group, just type and hit Enter or click the Send Message button. To collapse this panel, click outside of it. When you move your mouse around, a bright white band will appear at the bottom of the screen. Starting from the left, you have your information or your details about your Google Meet. You can turn on and off the microphone, end the call, and turn the camera on or off. It's best to ask students to disable their microphone and camera before they request to join the meeting. And remember, you should always be the last one to leave the call. Here you have the Captions button. When you turn on captions, everything you say is automatically transcribed by Google. Click the same button to turn captioning off. Here you can present your screen. You have two options, your entire screen or just a window. For security reasons, it's best to use just a window to avoid accidentally showing information that's not for public consumption. Just click a window, choose which program you want to display, select it, and click Share. These three dots are the More Options menu. From here, you can start recording a meeting. Just click Record Meeting. It asks you to let the participants know that the meeting is being recorded. Click Accept. Once this icon turns red, your meeting is being recorded. Click the same button to stop recording. Choose Stop Recording. Once you've stopped recording, Google will automatically create a folder in your Google Drive called Meet Recordings. Inside this folder, you will find all of the recordings of all your Google Meets, as well as transcriptions of all of the chats. You'll also receive an email to your FCPS Google Apps email when the video and transcription have been processed. From the three dots menu, you can also change the layout to a sidebar. Spotlight automatically focuses on the speaker, or tiled. You can go full screen, turn captionings on and off, change your audio and video settings, access the phone number for calling in to use audio, send an error report, or search for help.